Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, going to make another toasted sandwich. We've got tomato, onion, mozzarella, cheese and tomato sandwich really. Got a few other little bits in there to make it a bit more luxurious. Let's get on with it. Okay, so nothing to it really. Onion, tomatoes, cheese. I've got red onion, you could use a green onion if you wanted. I like the red, it's a bit stronger. Chopped nice and small, tomato cut nice and small, cheese chopped up. I'm using mozzarella. Use, cheddar if you wanted. Olives, cut them up. I like them in there. Little bit of oregano, little bit of chili powder. That's what I want to do. Play around with that if you want. What we're going to do is get a mixing bowl, get it all in. Touch of pepper. I'm not adding salt because we've got the cheese and the olives. Do that if you want. Little bit of olive oil. Then we're ready to go. So tomatoes, cheese of choice, onion, olives, and you can play around with these amounts by the way. I mean, I've roughly got equal parts. Let's get that little bit of chili powder and the oregano in. A little bit of olive oil just to sort of bring it together. Some black pepper. Now if you wanted, get some other stuff in there like some chopped vegetables. You can get some grated carrot into this if you wanted. You can get some celery in it. Entirely up to you. Plenty of black pepper for me. We're going to give that a mix. We're going to get our bread ready. This is a really simple but delicious sandwich. By the way, some fresh basil in there or something like that, or a fresh herb of your choice. Could be good, couldn't it? So if you wanted, you could be spreading your butter onto your bread, but you can see that I've melted mine and then I brush it on. I find brushing it on just gives it a nice even coating and get all over everywhere. But yeah, spread it on if you fancy that. But yeah, I like this method. So 4 slices of bread because we're going to be making 2 sandwiches, and these are the outsides. Let's get moving. So I've got 2 slices of our bread there, and I've turned them over so the butter is on the outside. What we're going to do is very generously get loads of our filling in there. Try and spread it around nice and evenly. Then we're going to get our bread again, so butter outside on there, butter outside on there. Absolutely wonderful. We're going to get onto the grill now. I use one of those George Foreman type, press grills. Let's get it on. So here we go. One of these kind of things. Press down. Let's grab our sandwiches, drop it on. The other one, drop it on. And I've got it on maximum heat, my one. Just put it on. Get it down there. Squash it down. About 4 minutes. Okay, let's jump in and have a look at these, shall we? Oh, baby. They are looking absolutely wonderful. Let me fetch them out. They're going to be delicious. Okay, let's cut these bad boys open. Crispy. Hopefully we're going to get a bit of the mozzarella melted. We can see that already. Now it's coming out. Oh man. Oh man. That's good. That's good to me. Nice little snack, that, isn't it? Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.